Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best DeWalt blower trimmer is probably one of the most versatile and useful tools for maintaining your garden or lawn, saving you time and effort whether you're a professional landscaper or a homeowner tackling yard work. This video will review its features, performance, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right tool for your needs. Number 5. DeWalt String Trimmer Combo Kit DCKO215M1. This kit includes a powerful string trimmer and a high-performance leaf blower, perfect for tackling any yard work. It features a 13-inch cutting swath with .080 line, making quick work of tough weeds and overgrown areas. Its gear drive transmission provides the power you need to easily cut through thick overgrowth. The leaf blower delivers up to 400 cfm of air volume at 90 miles per hour, clearing debris quickly and efficiently. It's equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor for maximizing both run time and motor life. The innovative axial fan design maximizes air output and run time, so you can get the job done faster. What we like. It boasts a powerful motor and high CFM for efficient debris clearing. The wide cutting swath makes quick work of trimming. If you need a powerful combo for larger yards, this is the one for you. What people say. Both work great if you have DeWalt tools. They do a great job for cleaning up edges. It cuts nearly as well as a gas-powered weed eater. Very simple to use and handles great. Number 4. DeWalt FLEXVOLT 60V Blower. This powerful blower tackles tough jobs with ease. Its high-efficiency motor delivers impressive performance and extended runtime. Experience the power of 600 cfm of air volume and 125 miles per hour wind speed. It effortlessly clears even the most stubborn debris. It's designed to withstand the rigors of daily use on any job site. This blower is built for durability and reliability. The variable speed trigger and speed lock give you complete command over the airflow. Maintain consistent performance with ease. It comes with a 60V Max *3Ah battery and charger, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Get started on your projects immediately. This is the ultimate solution for demanding cleanup tasks. Experience the difference of DeWalt power and performance. What we like. This one delivers impressive speed and power to tackle tough jobs. Its robust design can handle heavy use. If you're looking for a long-lasting, high-performance blower, this is an excellent choice. Number 3. DeWalt DCKO215M1 String Trimmer. This powerful trimmer tackles tough jobs with ease. Its 60V battery provides ample runtime, and the included charger ensures you're always ready to go. It's designed with DeWalt's universal attachment system. This means you can add other tools to expand its capabilities. It offers adjustable cutting swaths from 15 to 17 inches. You can also use different line thicknesses for various needs. Replacing the line is quick and easy thanks to the innovative quick load spool design. This saves you valuable time and effort. Get precise control with the variable speed trigger and high-low speed settings. Optimize power and runtime for any trimming task. It's equipped with a high-performance brushless motor. This means you'll get more work done in less time, with increased efficiency. What we like. Its adaptability stands out, letting you add more tools as needed. The adjustable cutting swath offers versatility. If you value versatility and convenience, this is perfect for you. What people say. Finally yesterday I ran it all around my house. At first in low gear and it made trimming my grass as simple and easy as my gas trimmer. Then I added some of my old attachments, edger, hedge clippers, on high gear and it did the job better than my old gas trimmer. Yes, you can use other attachments on this model, which was what I wanted to do. The battery life was exceptional also, ran it for a solid 2 hours with minimal battery burn. Powerful, lasts long enough with the included 9Ah battery, doesn't vibrate too hard, and is compatible with other attachments. Number 2. DeWalt 20V Max Kit, DCKO215M1. This kit is a must-have for any homeowner. It includes everything you need to tackle yard work with ease and efficiency. It boasts a 14-inch cutting swath and a unique folding design, reducing its size by 40% for easy storage. Its innovative folding hinge allows it to be stored in smaller spaces, making it perfect for apartments or garages with limited storage. This blower delivers impressive power, with up to 450 CFM of air volume and 125 miles per hour with the concentrator nozzle. It's perfect for clearing leaves and debris quickly. The included concentrator nozzle helps you direct airflow precisely, making it easier to clear even the toughest debris. It's compatible with the entire DEWALT 20V Max battery system, giving you the flexibility to use your existing batteries. The kit includes the string trimmer, leaf blower, a concentrator nozzle, a battery, and a charger, everything you need to get started. What we like. Its folding design makes storage a breeze. It's part of the versatile 20V Max system. If you need a space-saving trimmer and blower combo, consider this option. What people say. Trimmer cuts very well with a long battery life. The blower does a nice job for being electric but will drain battery quickly. Lightweight and powerful. About as loud as a shop vac. Number 1. DEWALT DCKO215M1 Kit. This kit is a powerful and versatile tool for all your yard work needs. It's cordless, lightweight, and easy to use. It has a 13-inch cutting swath and uses 0.080-inch line for clean, precise cuts. You'll get the job done quickly and efficiently. The variable speed trigger gives you precise control over the cutting power, extending the battery life. You can easily adjust the speed to match the task at hand. Its gear drive transmission design easily tackles tough overgrowth. It's built to handle even the thickest weeds and grass. The blower moves up to 450 cubic feet of air per minute and has a top speed of 125 miles per hour with the concentrator. Cleaning up leaves and debris will be a breeze. It features a brushless motor for extended runtime and motor life. This means less downtime and more time spent working. What we like. This combo offers efficient cutting and a variable speed trigger for better control. The high-efficiency motor extends runtime. If you prioritize runtime and control, this is a great option. What people say. The trimmer works excellent and is a good way to prevent straining. The blower works great. This is an excellent bundle for your yard work. Came with great instructions, battery, charger, and all necessary parts. Very easy to put together and easier to use. The battery lasts a long time too. Weight and balance are ideal. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.